Welcome back to CraftiWorks, your go-to channel for creative crafting ideas. A beautiful greeting card featuring a serene winter landscape, brought to life with acrylic paints and enhanced with quilled paper strips. So, grab your crafting tools and let's get started. As we begin, choose your favorite shades of light purple and blue acrylic paints. These colors will perfectly capture the essence of a snowy winter landscape. Remember, it's all about creating that chilly, serene atmosphere. Once our paint is dry, it's time for the magic touch, quilling. If you're new to quilling, it's a wonderful art form using rolled strips of paper to create decorative designs. Remember, you can easily cut 3mm paper strips from colored papers for your projects. Roll your strips tightly to create coils. These will give our card a fantastic 3D effect, making the trees pop out against the painted backdrop. As we place these quilled coils, watch how they bring a new dimension to our card. It's amazing how these little rolls of paper can transform a simple painting into something so intricate and lively. Wishing everyone a happy new year filled with joy and crafting adventures.